Okay, good morning, students. First of all, a quick recap of what we have done in the last week. First topic was that, okay, planning in sports. What was planning and the aims and objectives of planning that we have done. After that, what was the topic was various committees for organizing a tournament and their duties or responsibilities. Various committees that were there were boarding and lodging committee, publicity committee, then comes opening and closing ceremony committee, prize distribution ceremony, prize distribution committee, then comes entertainment committee, first aid committee, then come transportation committee. There are various types of committees, almost 10 to 12 committees were there that were working under the executive committee, which was working under a administrator. So that their duties and various committees for organizing a tournament we have done. Now today we will be dealing with next topic, that is tournament. What is a tournament? A contest in which a player or different teams participate and give their best to win that particular contest is known as a tournament. Understood? A tournament is a contest in which an individual or a player or teams participate and try their level best to win the contest is known as a tournament. What are the objectives of having a tournament? Again, I am telling what are the importance of tournament in points. I am telling you: perfecting of sporting skills, scouting of real talent, nurturing of social skill, character building, and meaning of recreation. Perfecting of skill, sporting skill. The purpose of a tournament is to establish one team or player who has outperformed the rest. Means we have to find out the best player who has won the tournament. That is the purpose of the tournament. The purpose of the tournament is to establish the one team or player who has outperformed all the other opponents. To achieve this, there should be he should know the rules of the game. He should have good fitness, and he should be able to correct all the techniques. That is importance of tournament. After that comes scouting of real talent. Generally, why we are organizing a tournament? To bring out the winner, whether it is a team or it is a individual. Individual game means badminton, table tennis, like that way, and team events means cricket, football, and all that. It is during a competition when every player qualified to take part will be tested not only on his or her natural acquired skill, but also to perform under pressure. See, studies and sports, they are one of the same. In studies, you are doing theoretical part. In games, you are doing practical part. So, to outperform your opponents, you have to perform under pressure, and that is why, to bring out the real talent from an individual. Then character building. Tournament introduces the youth to stress that is different from one they face in the classroom. Tournament introduces the youth to stress that is different from the classroom. Understood? That is different from the classroom. That is different from the classroom. Here you should have good physical strength, and one should be physically and mentally sound. See, when you are playing any game, crowd is watching you, crowd is shouting at you, they are demotivating you, some are motivating you, and you have to outperform others in such thing. That is known as character building. It is a mean of recreation. Tournaments are a mean of recreation in which both the players and the spectators enjoy. A good tournament is one in which the player gives his best and he is enjoying the tournament to its fullness, as well as the spectators. If the competition is good, then only we can say the tournament is good. We can't say that, okay, the team is winning, but it is winning one-sided. For example, cricket match, okay, they won by 10 wickets. It is not a good match. It is not a good tournament. In basketball and cricket, suppose a team is winning by almost one or two runs, like World Cup final. It was a very good, interesting match. So we can say the World Cup of cricket, which was held in this year, last year, was really a good tournament because everyone enjoyed till the last second. Then comes, okay, now different types of tournament. What we have done, we have learned today different importance of tournament. Few points over there: perfecting of sporting skills, scouting of real talent, nurturing of social skills, character building, and means of recreation. Now, types of tournament. Basically, there are three types of tournament. Basically, there are three types of tournament: knockout, league, and combination. Knockout means, in simple words, you are knocked out of the tournament. You will not progress in the further rounds. League means you are playing among themselves. In simple, in other words, we can say league tournament is a round robin tournament. And there's a combination. Combination is a combination of tournament means it is a combination of knockout as well as of league. It can be knockout come knockout, knockout come league, league come knockout. That is a combination of tournaments. What is a knockout tournament? A knockout tournament is one in which a opponent gets defeated and it doesn't progress to the other round. First round, the team loses and they are out of the tournament. That is a knockout tournament. League tournament, they get one more chance to play. They get one more. Suppose league tournament is that in which they will get the chance to play their opponents. It can be one round, two rounds, three rounds. How many teams are participating depends on them. Knockout means you are out of the tournament, means the tournament is over for you. Whether it is a good team, bad team, it depends. Then combination is league combination of both the tournament. That is knockout come league and league come knockout. There are four types of combination tournament that we will study afterwards. What is a knockout tournament? Again, I'm telling you. And a match is finished when an opponent is knocked out. The concept of knockout tournament is that the defeated team is eliminated with no scope to advance further. The defeated team is having no scope to advance further. That is a knockout tournament. Suppose four teams are there. One, two, three, four. Simple. I am taking less teams for example. Four teams are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, or A, B, C, D. In this, the first two teams play among themselves. Number 2 advances to the next round. In this 3 and 4, number 4 advances to the next round. In the final match, number 2 and 4 plays, and the number 4 is the winner. This is a knockout tournament. Now here, number 1 is not getting other chance to play, and number 3 is not getting other chance to play. This is a knockout tournament. See, any tournament, there are advantages and disadvantages, pros and cons, positive and negative of every tournament. So advantages of knockout tournament are: it saves your time and cost. Suppose many teams are participating, but on the first day only, the team which are losing, they are out of the tournament. So your tournament will be finished in less number of days, and your cost of accommodation, all that will be reduced. So you need not to have a big tournament in all that, and you will be having advantage to complete the tournament within a short span of time. After that, there comes, since there are no second chances, each team will take its match seriously. Okay, you can say, okay, you can say today I will not play well, tomorrow I will play well because I have got one more chance. But in this tournament, you have to give your best from the start. from the word go. From the first match, you have to give a best so that you have to, otherwise you will be out of the tournament. Since there is no second chance, each team takes its match seriously and gives its best performance to advance in the next stage. Knockout tournaments, as matches are less, you will require less number of officials, less number of grounds, and less number of media person, less number of committees and all that. Knockout requires fewer people or less people in order to conduct the tournament successfully. Knockout tournament increases the excitement level of the match since the team has to give their best from the word go. Understood? From every match they have to give their best, otherwise they also know that they will be out of the tournament, so they have to give their best. Disadvantages of knockout tournament: some teams don't get a second chance to prove their caliber or their potential. Suppose we are dividing the teams. Generally we divide the teams, we make a fixture according to the lottery, and in good few teams are there and they come in the same good pool, and other round they are, you can say they are, you also know that they are not so good teams, but they will keep on advancing to the next round, and the teams which are good will lose the match in their will lose the match in the first round only, and they are out on the second round. But that's good teams are out of the tournament and the bad teams are running till the final. That is the disadvantage of the knockout tournament. Some teams don't get a second chance to prove their ability. Knockout tournament, it can be just said random pairing of the teams. Sometimes good teams miss the opportunity to use their full potential. And again, the same thing. And overall, weaker teams might advance further due to the winning of its few rounds or earlier rounds. Knockout can be poor judge of a team's ability because poor judge because you are losing the first match. Now you can say, okay, this team was not a good team because they have lost the first match only, but that team was good, but they were supposed to play there with the tournament winner team or another team in the first match only. So you can't say that, okay, the team, we were bad. Knockout tournaments, if the team that the spectators come to support and that particular team loses in their first or second round only, what will happen? Afterwards in the whole tournament, you will not find the spectators only, whether it is final match, semi-final, or hardline match. The spectators which are coming to support their team, and they are not there, automatically the team get loses. So spectators will not come to support their team. Now league. Now comes league tournament. What is a league or round robin tournament? In which each team plays with each other in the next with one or more rounds. There are two types. There are two types of league tournament. Single league, in which the team plays with the other team only once. That's in which the first team plays with the other team only once. Double league, in which the team plays with the two teams play with each other twice. For example, IPL, because generally the host team plays at their particular venue, and then the host team has to go to their opponent venue also. That is double league tournament. How will find out the number of matches in single league tournament? N minus 1 upon 2. N is the number of teams. Suppose 8 teams are there, then the number of matches will be 8 minus 7 by 2. 8 minus 1. That becomes 8 into 7 upon 2 equals to 28. 28 number of matches will be held in single league tournament. In double league, it will be n minus 1. It becomes 8 minus 1 equals to 8 into 7, 56. In single league, to find out the number of matches is n minus 1 upon 2, and in double league, the formula to find out the number of matches is n minus 1. I think you got it. Again, the same thing. What is a single league tournament? The number of in which each team plays against each other once, and double league in which both the teams play with each other twice. That is single league and double league tournament. Advantage, again the same, positive, negative, advantage, disadvantage of league tournament. League tournament give the participant a chance to prove itself. Okay, suppose you are losing the first match, but again you are having advantage or chance to play the next match, so that you can prove your ability. League gives a participant the chance to prove itself against opponent involved in the tournament, as they know chances of missed opportunities. It is a fair way of determining it is the best way to determine the best competitor. Then comes since league tournament accurately measure performance of a particular team, the strength and the weakness of the tournament, it gives a greater certainty. Okay, you can find out this team was one of the best teams. Either league, after you can go for league come now, that is the combination tournament also, where you can find out a better team, where even the good team can prove their mettle or their ability in the later stages also. After that comes league tournament tend to be popular and earn a lot of revenue, but it is a time consuming tournament. It is a time consuming because if a single league tournament also, a team is playing with each other, so it will take a lot of where knockout, suppose 8 teams were there, 8 teams were there in knockout tournament, the same matches, how many? It would have been less number of matches compared to league tournament. In league tournament, it came to single league tournament, it came to 28 matches. Double league tournament, it came to 56 matches. In knockout, it would have been much less number of players and less number of matches compared to league tournament. So it is time consuming and it is a wastage of money. Disadvantage is it is huge amount of time and money is involved to find out the winner. Since each player is given a multiple chance, it also implies that a weaker performance will continue playing their quota or their number of matches till the end. If the opponent was weaker in knockout tournament, they were out of the tournament within the first match only. But in league tournament, suppose 8 teams are there, they have to play with each other. Then it will take 7. They have to play 7 matches among themselves. So till 7 days or 4 days, they will sit at a particular venue only and waste their money and time of the host as well as of the particular school from which they are participating. It might so happen that repeated losers get disheartened. Understood? They are first match they lost, again they are losing, so they are disheartening, or they are demotivating by themselves only, inside only. League, if not successful, will translate into loss of money. League tournament, as I have told you, it is a wastage of money, wastage of time as well as of money, because so much number of matches will give you so much number of days involved, and same way so much number of money and time wasted. Then comes tournament, combination tournament. Combination tournament is generally of 4 types: knockout come knockout, league come league, knockout come league, and league come knockout. Knockout come league means, okay, first of all, teams are playing among themselves. Those who are knocked out of the tournament, we will find the winner of particular zones or particular pool or particular half. After that, we will tell them to play a league among themselves only, and out of that, okay, the team which is winning will give them 3 points, 2 points. The team which is losing 0 point, and the team which is the match is tied is 1 point. According to it, we find the winner. That is knockout cum league or league cum knockout in simple word, World Cup football or cricket. If we are seeing, that was league cum knockout. Then come knockout, and league cum knockout. About this topic, we will discuss tomorrow. If you have any doubt, you will be most welcome on Saturday. So today we have dealt with the topics of tournament. What is the tournament? Any contest in which an opponent outperforms the other opponent to win the contest is known as a tournament. Types of tournament: league tournament, knockout tournament, and combination tournament. Knockout tournament, in which the team gets knocked out of the tournament in the initial round only. They don't get any other chance to play. That is a knockout tournament. Then comes league tournament, in which opponent gets one more chance to play among themselves. That is a league tournament. And combination of league and league and knockout tournament is a combination tournament that we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, dear students. Tomorrow again we will meet you.